Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to skip blank cells from conditional formatting even if the cell contains the formula. In this sheet, column B has quantity, column C has unit price, and column D contains the total cost and it contains the formula. Now it will return blank cell if the quantity is 0. Now I want to highlight rows where total cost is more than 20. To apply the conditional formatting, select your data. In Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting and select New Rule option. Select the last rule type user formula and copy this formula. Click on Format button. In Fill tab, select any color and click OK. Click OK. All rows are highlighted where the total cost is more than 20. The problem is that it is highlighting blank cells also. To skip the blank cells, select your data again, go to Conditional Formatting option and select Manage Rules option. Select the rule we have created. Click on Edit Rule button. To skip the blank cells, copy this formula. Now click OK, click Apply, click OK. Now it will skip the blank cells and it will highlight only cells where the total quantity is more than 20. In this formula, the first part will check if the cell actually has visible content, and the second part is the actual condition to highlight the cell. If you like the video, press thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.